Yeah, welcome to Atlanta. We're gonna have fun. Going to the mall. Going through Buckhead. Yes.
That's right. And there's on Cheryl.
It's very hot.
Oh, that's okay. It can cool off. Yeah.
To the car, cause y'all.
Oh, they have Forever 21. Huh? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It has crystals on its head.
Alright guys, so we're leaving Lenox Mall and we ate in the food court. I got something at Forever 21 and now we're heading back to the car and we may visit Wade and then go back home. So yeah, but we had a good time. Yes. And we had a tour of Atlanta. We walked around, we drove around Atlanta, had a tour of downtown, and yeah, it's been a good day.
Yes, it's been a great day. Yes.
Uncle Michael, you want to say anything to the YouTube when I make this video?
Yeah, welcome to Atlanta. We're gonna have fun. Going to the mall. Going through Buckhead. Yes.
That's right. And there's Aunt Cheryl in the parking garage over there. What's that?
We got up to her.
Yeah, there she is. And
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.